Congratulations on taking a big step towards making sure your affairs are in order. We are excited to work with you. Whether you're working with one of the attorneys in person or via Zoom, the process is identical. When we sit down for that life and legacy planning session, that first meeting where we really jump into the substance of things, the first thing we will do is dig in to your hopes, goals, wishes, concerns. What are the things that for you would lead to a home run when it comes to your estate plan? We will then help you develop a strategy that will accomplish your wishes. It's a little bit like Goldilocks. We don't want to overcomplicate it, but we also don't want to oversimplify it. We want a strategy that reflects your wishes, that accomplishes your goals. And if there's options, we will explain those options to you. We will also tell you what the price will be, so you are in charge. You'll pick the price. You tell us exactly what it is you want us to do for you, and you will know what those price points are. It's our job to help you understand the options so that you can make an informed decision. Once we're on the same page there, we'll just get some of those details that we need to fill in the blanks so that after that meeting, we have what we need to start drafting the plan for you and really getting to work with our part of the process, creating the documents. In that first meeting, we will also talk to you about our family care program. The family care program is for those clients that understand that estate planning is not just a one and done transaction. It is an ongoing process, it's an ongoing relationship. And so for those clients that want to make sure that no matter what happens in the future after the estate plan is put in place, they want to make sure their wishes are honored, that their assets are protected, and that no matter what happens, things go pursuant to the plan. For those clients, the family care program makes a ton of sense. Come prepared, ready to work. We'll have a bunch of questions and we're gonna go through all the details with you. We are excited to help.